What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can earn $43.35 over and over with this ClickBank product. I'm not saying this is going to happen every second or every minute. This can happen every hour, it can happen every day, it can happen every week, depending on the amount of effort that you're willing to put in. And you'll see right here on this website that we'll be using for this traffic, this post already got 317 views, 1K total story views. This post, 90K total story views, 273 views in this post, 155 views in this post, 697 total views, 193 views, 4K total views again, and 171 views. All of this is free traffic. You don't need any followers, you don't need a follower base, you need not followers, not likes, you don't need anybody to know even who you are. This website will provide traffic like this to you for free, which can give you a lot of exposure to your affiliate link. My name is Jay and I'm an online entrepreneur, software and web developer from South Africa, and on this channel I teach you business models and ways to make money online, as well as high income skills and topics such as web development and software development. So if you're interested in that kind of content, make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an awesome video just like this one. But with this specific method, what I like about it, it's completely worldwide and free to do. And yes, it's going to be focusing on ClickBank, but you can use JVZoo and Warrior Plus as alternatives. I'll actually leave in the pinned comment 10 alternatives to ClickBank, as I know not everybody can sign up on ClickBank. This specific method, it's a very powerful free traffic method that you can use to expose the public to your affiliate offer who is specifically looking for your product. So what I really like about this, it means it's a much more high converting audience, and it's also easy to do. You can literally copy and paste with the method that I'm going to show you, or you can use some of your own ideas as well, like I'll show you too, to increase more traffic. And this is something that will need a little bit of effort and it will scale over time. I don't know if you remember the volume concept that I explained in my previous video. Well, that applies here, and I will show you that at the end of the video so you can learn to leverage that to get a lot of sales and traffic to your affiliate offer. And also, I invite you to join my private Facebook group down below if you have any questions, and I will answer them personally for you and help you guys out. And also, take action on this method. I really love it if you guys can get some results using this method, and let's get straight into the method. So the first thing that we've got to do is we've got to head over to ClickBank, which is the best affiliate marketing place in the world for products, courses, software, you name it. So I'm going to head over to the affiliate marketplace, the big button right here on the homepage, and you will see there is a ton of categories. And 3 of the best selling categories that I suggest is e-business and e-marketing, software and services, and probably health and fitness, which is the example that I'm going to use in this video. So I'm going to head over to the health and fitness category, and I'm going to filter by Gravity. I already have a product chosen out for this method. You can use any of these products here, but what I suggest, filter by Gravity, as these are the highest selling and best selling products on the market at the moment. And you'll see right here, the one that I'm going to use is Flat Belly Mix, which is an entire book or little course that people can buy to lose weight. So obviously a lot of people in this world want to learn to lose weight, and this is where I'm going to come in and use this product to solve these people's needs by offering a solution to their problem. And you'll see Flat Belly Mix is not the only one. There's a really good one here at the moment called Lepotox, huge commissions, where you'll earn $61.58 a sale. With the Flat Belly Mix specifically, I am earning $43.35 per sale, which is a really good commission. And you'll see each of these affiliate offers actually have their own website, and some of these websites will actually give you free resources such as free banners, free ebooks, perhaps free video course that you can use to really boost your marketing, which really helps. And you can actually see right here they're already giving you a ton of articles and information that you can use to read up on and use that to promote this product and get a lot of sales to your affiliate offer. And you'll actually see right here, here's a very good example. If I click for email swipes, they'll actually give you a ton of email templates that you can use for email marketing, but that's not what we're going to be doing in this video. This is just an example of the free resource they've given you for this product, but we're not actually going to be using this. We're going to be doing something even better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the products tab of this website, and you'll see right here the Flat Belly Mix probably has its own website right here. You can actually see they have a learn more button, and if I click on this, it will take me to the flatbelly.com website, where there's more than enough information that you can leverage to really build a good business around this method. So you'll see right here, if I click on the prefer to read button, they will give me like an article website with a ton of text and information on how to lose weight with the Flat Belly Mix product. You'll see there's more than enough information on this product. The website goes on and on. And the next step that we can do is we can head over to a website called Ezine Article Submissions, where you can basically submit or copy or use articles on this website for your own marketing purposes, which I really like. And you'll see here there's a ton of article categories. So obviously in this case we are going to be using health and fitness. Right here, if I click on this, we want to maybe look for weight loss. Here we go, right at the bottom, weight loss. It's in alphabetical order, I see. And you'll find a ton of articles that you can use. Top 3 weight loss pitfalls, 4 natural ways to lose weight, 5 simple pre-wedding weight loss tips, 5 ways to lose body fat. So this could be a nice one as this relates to the Flat Belly Mix. And you'll see right here there's a beautiful article on losing body fat, which relates obviously to the Flat Belly Mix. But no, we're not going to be promoting we aren't going to be promoting or posting our own articles on EzineArticles.com. We're going to be using another platform that we're going to leverage by using this information, as you saw, getting between 100 and 1,000 or 90,000 views on the stories and those posts completely for free to a relatively new website that not a lot of people are using this for. So now that we have a ton of articles here on EzineArticles.com that we can use, and a bunch of information from the product's website directly that we can also use, which I believe is also more reliable. So the next step is then to head over to a website called ShuffleHex.com, where we can actually post our own articles. And you'll see right here some of the top articles. If I head over to health and fitness, which is obviously related to our niche, let's head down here a little bit down to the bottom page. Let's just choose this one right here. You will see this one has got 105 views on this post, which is really, really good. And do remember, this may not seem like a lot of views, but if you keep that volume concept in mind, this can actually become a lot more views, which I'm going to show you at the end of this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign up an account on ShuffleHex.com. Simple name, username, email, password, and verify your email. And you'll see right here my account has now been created. I can access my profile and start posting on this website. And even if I just quickly look at the top post on this website, you'll see right here it's got 2,000 views and 31k total story views on this specific post, which is really, really good. That's a lot of traffic. Same thing with this one right here, 20 ways to travel longer. It's a fairly simple article to create, and it's got 31k total views and 2,499 views on this post, which is really good. So what we're going to do is we're going to hover the add new button, and we're then going to click on add story, as we want to add a story to our profile. And what's nice about adding a story, there's multiple options that you can choose. You can either add a link, you can write an article, you can upload an image, submit a video, create a list, and also create a poll. But in this specific method, we are going to be writing an article simply because it gives the most value. And it's what people are mostly searching for on this website, is that they want articles and information on a specific product in a specific niche so they can learn more about it. And that is where we are going to access an audience that is obviously very interested in this product, because they have come to us on this website and searched for our articles specifically. And what I like about ShuffleHex.com, articles actually are optimized for SEO on Google. So a lot of people might also find your articles via Google search. So what I can do for the title, I can literally head back to the Flat Belly Mix website, and they've got a title here for you already. So you can literally copy this as is, come back to ShuffleHex and paste this. And there we go. Discover how I helped my crippled wife shed 23 pounds of unwanted fat and completely flatten her belly. And then what you want to do is you want to add a featured image to your article. So what you can do is you can head back to these articles right here, or head back to the product's actual website. And if I scroll down, you'll see right here, here's some good examples here. It's literally a before and after photo that you can use as your featured image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this, open this in a new tab, and I'm going to save this to my PC, head back to ShuffleHex, and then I'm going to post or upload this same picture. There we go. And then for a topic, for example, it's going to be health and fitness. That's the topic we want to add this to, is basically the category. And then for an entire writer article, we can head back to the Flat Belly website, and we can literally come back to the top of this website and we can copy this guy's story. For example, at first I didn't want to tell you my wife's story. It felt too private, too painful. However, the miraculous, and it basically just tells you about the product and how it helped his wife specifically. So I'm going to come back to Shufflex. I'm going to paste this as the first paragraph. You can hit enter a couple of times, head back to the website. You can copy some more of the story. That's what I remember the most. There we go. I can head back here and copy this entire section as well. Let's say this is enough for our article, so I basically copied this section as well. I copied the story of his entire wife's story just as the article. Then what you can do is you can head back to your article editor here. Let me just drag this down a lot more so we can actually see what we're doing. And you can highlight text, for example, things like health and weight loss trick. We can highlight this. We can then come back here, click on the link, and we're going to add our affiliate link here. So we need to come back to the marketplace of ClickBank, click on promote of your product, and you'll see right here, you'll need to enter your account name. So I'm going to do that. And once I click generate hop links, you will see the hop link is produced right here. Copy this. You can literally then come back to Shufflex and paste this here. In your link, insert link. Same thing. Let's go down a little bit until it's the problem, the simple ritual. Let's do this one here, engineered diet foods as a keyword. We can put the link to that as well. And then we can highlight this one right here as well. Powered system. I'm going to add my affiliate link to that as well. What you can do is you can go highlight keywords throughout this article, anything that maybe relates to the product, such as you can see right here, such as this one right here, lose weight. We can also add our affiliate link to that and just keep adding your link throughout keywords throughout your article. And then one thing that's pretty important, you want to optimize your article with a couple of tags. So for example, how to lose weight. Let's go fat or flat belly mix review. We can go lose weight in 2020. How to lose weight in 2020. And you'll see right here, once I'm done, I'm going to click on submit. There we go. And this is what my article now looks like after I click the publish button. And you can see right here, they just got a advert over this. I don't know why. And they've got you discover how I helped my crippled wife shed 23 pounds. And you can see right here, lost 23 pounds in 21 days. I've got the entire story, which looks really cool. And you'll see right here, health and weight loss trick. If I click on that, it will open my affiliate product, which will then take me to the landing page of this product where they can watch a video or they can read through the article and they can then purchase the product from there where you will earn your commission for that. What I really like about this product specifically, it actually has a video which makes marketing a lot more personal, as people like video content more than text content these days, which also makes your product more high converting. And what you can also do is you can literally go to Google and you can type in article post websites, and you will find a ton of alternatives such as eZine Articles, Article Cube, Article Alley, Hub Pages, Article City, Buzzle, Examiner, are all article websites where you can go and post your articles. And then one thing that I want to explain to you guys quickly is the concept of volume. Focus on your volume and not your views. So even if your article, let's say, gets 5 views per day or 10 views per day or 15 views per day, but you're posting an article daily or even 2 articles a day for a month, that's 60 articles. Let's say you even get to the stage where you're at 140 articles and you're getting 5 views per day on an article. That is 700 views daily that is seeing your affiliate link. Even if 1 or 2 of those people convert to sales, that's $40 to $100 per day, which is a really good commission. Let's say each article gets 10 views per day, 1,400 views. Let's say 5 people out of that converts to sales. That is $200, $300 a day. Let's say each of your articles, out of 140 of your articles, are getting 15 views per day. That's 2,100 people. Even if 10 of them out of those 2,000 people convert, that is $400 per day on this specific product. And remember, there's tons of other products that you can promote, tons of other articles that you can make on various different websites, so you can sort of to understand the volume and how it's just going to grow and grow from here, sort of with like a snowball effect. So in the beginning, you might not get any sales at all. You might get 100 views on a post, you may not get any sales, but remember, it's consistency and it's volume. You want to build volume in your article business with this method. But if you have any questions, make sure to join my private Facebook group down below, where I will help you out and answer them personally with you. And also, I've got here on the screen some free YouTube courses that on how you can make money online, some of my best playlists, some of my best videos on traffic methods. Make sure to click on one of these and I'll see you there.